In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a custom form that starts a CRM workflow, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be offering an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on that. To build a custom form that starts a CRM workflow, first, you need to identify the CRM platform you're going to use. There are a lot of options, but we'll be using a software that simplifies the process and integrates seamlessly into your workflow. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial in the description just for you. Once you've logged into the software, the first thing you'll do is go to the Forms section. This is where you can create new forms from scratch or customize existing templates. You'll need to choose the type of form you want, whether it's for collecting leads, feedback, or any other purpose. The goal here is to design something that captures the exact information you need while also triggering your workflow automatically. Next, you'll drag and drop the form fields you need. This is where it gets really customizable. Add fields for things like name, email, phone number, and any other info you want to collect. If you need something more advanced, like conditional logic, where the next question depends on the answer to a previous one, you can easily set that up as well. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Once your form is set up, it's time to integrate it with the CRM workflow. This means defining what happens once someone submits the form. For example, do you want the system to send a welcome email? Or maybe trigger a task for your sales team to follow up? Setting up these actions is simple. Just choose from a list of triggers that connect your form to the workflow. After that, it's time to test. You'll want to make sure that once the form is submitted, the workflow fires off as expected. Check that all the actions happen as they should, whether it's sending an email, creating a task, or updating a database. You can always go back and make adjustments if something isn't working quite right. Once everything is working, it's time to publish your form. The software will give you an embed code or a direct link to share with others. Once it's live, anyone who fills out the form will automatically trigger the CRM workflow you set up, saving you time and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. One key takeaway from today: building a custom form that starts a CRM workflow is incredibly powerful for automating your business processes. It saves time, reduces errors, and ensures that all the right people are notified and taking action when they need to. This can really streamline your customer management and make your workflow smoother. To quickly recap, you start by creating a custom form with the fields you need. Then, you integrate that form with your CRM workflow, setting up automated actions, test it to make sure everything works, and then publish your form. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to try out the software for yourself. If you want to follow along and make sure you're setting things up the right way, that's the best way to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.